Saastify is an Elementor template kit specifically designed for modern SaaS platforms and tech startups. Whether you're a software developer, innovative marketer, or product founder, this kit provides a beautiful and high-converting launchpad for your website. It features a sleek, aesthetic design that is effective for clearly communicating your software's value proposition, including essential sections for product features, pricing information, and live demos. Importantly, Saastify supports a responsive mobile view, ensuring your website looks and performs great on any device. The Saastify bundle comes with a comprehensive set of ready-made templates, making it easy to get your SaaS website up and running quickly. Included in the kit are templates for homepage, about us, contact us, features, feature details, integration, testimonials, pricing, our teams, FAQs, blog, single post, and even an error 404 page. These templates cover all the key areas you'll need when launching and managing a professional SaaS site. To ensure you have all the necessary functionality, Saastify requires several plugins installed automatically with the kit. The core plugin is Elementor, which provides the page builder interface. Additional plugins integrated into the kit are Envato Elements, Ultimate add-ons for Elementor Lite, Metform for custom forms, Gum add-in for Elementor, and JegKit for Elementor. These plugins together deliver a robust foundation for designing high-quality pages with advanced features for forms, integrations, and creative layouts. It's important to note that Saastify is not a WordPress theme. Instead, it's a template kit containing design data specifically for Elementor, and it's installed using the Envato Template Kit Import plugin for WordPress, or directly within the Elementor plugin interface. If you need step-by-step instructions, a comprehensive guide is offered via Envato's Help Center, detailing how to upload and install the Elementor template kits from ThemeForest to WordPress. For further support, you can access help directly through the Elementor menu in WordPress. For those using the Elementor Kit plugin, setting up a custom header is straightforward. If you have Elementor Pro, you can configure both headers and footers using the theme builder. Make sure the page layout is set to Elementor full width to ensure the global header and footer are displayed. To set up the header, go to the Elementor Kit menu and select Header Template. Click Add New Header, add the condition for all site, and then create it. Edit using Elementor, access your templates, insert the header, customize, and save. Creating custom forms with Metform is also intuitive. When editing a page, open the Elementor Navigator to find the Metform widget. Click Edit Form in the Builder panel, select New, then click the Edit Form button. Use the Add Template button to open your My Templates tab, choose the imported form template, and insert. When the template loads, click Update to save changes. Saastify uses demo images sourced from Envato Elements. If you plan to use these images on your website, you'll need to license them directly from Envato Elements, or you can substitute them with your own images. All demo image sources are clearly linked for easy access. To summarize, Saastify offers an extensive Elementor template kit tailored for SaaS and tech startups, enabling anyone to build a modern, well-designed, conversion-focused website with ease. It covers all the essential sections, supports responsive design, and includes step-by-step guidance for installation and setup. With Saastify, launching your next SaaS platform or tech startup website becomes both efficient and visually impressive.